guys, I'm Mogu and you are watching Mogu and Friends. Today we are doing an unboxing, technically it's not a box, but unboxing and installation of bike seat that I ordered online. A little bit about the product, it's all over the internet. Amazon also give it, also carry it, so I know it's a legit thing, but I didn't order this in Amazon just because I know it's the same stuff and I got a better deal, so, and I want to take my chances and I'm not in a hurry. So, but if you want to make sure that your stuff is going to be delivered early, you just basically order it in Amazon. Alright. Further ado, let's do this. Alright, unboxing. So I ordered two just because the deal is buy one get one. And obviously I can use two, but alright, let me show you. Here. So this is it. I ordered two. One is yellow and one is red. Let's go with the yellow. Only fine. Let's see if this is good stuff. Alright, so it's as advertised. See, it's such a thing. It's foam and I hope it's easy to install. I don't know how this works though. It says it blinks, but I don't think this blinks. This is just a reflector. So I think I ordered the wrong one, but let's see. Alright, so for my bike here, I don't know how to install this. I've seen this before. Alright, so we need some tools. Basically, difficulties. Right. This is my original one. I put a foam in it just because it's already hard, but still didn't cut it. Look, it's so tiny. So this is my old bike, and I know I already removed this before, so this might be better. Okay, now we're gonna install it. For you to install it, just pop it right there. Put these things. Okay. The window just because can't finish this with that light turning on and off on me. Alright. I saw that the thing is too small, so I needed to use the other one that I have. It's still turned on, but you will get it done. Need to tighten it up. So it should be tight enough to basically lock itself. Now, here's the hard part. We're gonna use two. We're gonna use two things. One is to hold the other one, and then the other one is to screw it up. Loosen it up and change. Now I'm gonna test drive it, see how it feels. Alright guys, long story short, you got what you paid for. When I buy this, it's basically buy one get one. I waited for at least, I would say 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks to get it, and then it arrived. And it's almost, when I got it, it's almost the same price as the one that you have in Amazon. So the price is similar. So I basically got two for a price of one. Right? And I test drive it. It's softer than the one I have right now, but I never tried it like in long biking. So I hope it's really good. Overall, I don't regret buying it. Alright, see how thick it is? It's all foam. Alright guys, installation wise, it's pretty much easy. It's just that I don't have experience. This is my first time, so it's a little bit sweaty for me. But for you guys, for sure, it's easy. Right? So I would rate it for now without testing it long haul. I'll rate it for at least 8 for now. Alright guys, see ya.